To link a Zopa Fixed Saver, start by logging into your Zopa account, where you will see an overview of your current savings and investments. If you do not have a Zopa account, you will need to create one by providing some basic personal and financial information. Once logged in, navigate to the Savings section of your account, where you will see the option to open a new Fixed Saver account. Click on this option to begin the process of opening your Fixed Saver. You will then be asked to choose the term length for your Fixed Saver, which can range from 1 to 5 years, depending on your financial goals and needs. After selecting your term length, you will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Fixed Saver. This amount must be at least the minimum deposit required for the Fixed Saver, which is typically £1,000. You will then be asked to confirm the details of your Fixed Saver, including the term length and deposit amount. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of your Fixed Saver before confirming, as you will be locking your money away for the chosen term length and will not be able to access it without incurring a penalty. After confirming the details of your Fixed Saver, the funds will be transferred from your Zopa holding account, and your Fixed Saver will be opened. You will then start earning interest on your deposit, which will be paid into your account at the end of the term. To ensure the linking process is successful, make sure you have sufficient funds in your holding account to cover the deposit amount, and that you have carefully reviewed the terms and conditions of your Fixed Saver. It is also crucial to consider your financial goals and needs before opening a Fixed Saver, as it is a fixed-term savings product that requires you to keep your money locked away for the chosen term length. By following these steps and considering your individual financial circumstances, you can successfully link a Zopa Fixed Saver and start earning interest on your savings.